This is our presentation about glycosense, our product. Diabetes is one of the deadliest disease in the world. However, it's one of the most common disease in the world. These are some sensors that can detect blood glucose. You need to detect your blood glucose frequently so that you can take insulin shots as soon as possible. So as you can see here, so this is our presentation about glycosense, our product. Diabetes is one of the deadliest disease in the world. However, it's one of the most common disease in the world. These are some sensors that can detect blood glucose. You need to detect your blood glucose frequently so that you can take insulin shots as soon as possible. So as you can see here, the most popular sensors are somehow invasive, and the more comfort they are, the higher cost they will get. And we have found out there's a big correlation between ECG and blood glucose, and that's why we came up with our product. This is a non-invasive blood glucose sensor using electrical cardiogram signal. It is continuous, non-invasive BG monitor. It has lower cost than current CGM system, and I think it's better for the patient comfort. So for the end users want to focus on the patient group the most, especially individual with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. We also advise and recommend patients with high blood glucose to use our product. After investigating, these are some pain points that we think our customers are facing daily. Our flow will show how our device will capture the heart ECG and process them. So first of all, the ECG is picked up by the chest electrode, and then it will be passed to the analog front end, where the signal will be amplified, filtered, and cleaned before pass it to the analog to digital converter. And after that, it will be passed to the MCU. This is where the ECG data is processed, and the features will be extracted and converted to blood glucose parameters, and the result will be sent via Bluetooth to your device, and you will see the result on your device. This is just some components for our hardware part and what choices that we are making and why we are making those choices. Graph here just show like how we're gonna connect our components in the device. We're gonna talk about the software architecture. This is our flow of how the data gonna be. So for the AI model, this is the flow of the logic that we are gonna use. Compared to the state of the art, our solution offers three key advantages. First, it uses a non-invasive ECG patch, which eliminate the risk of infection. Second, it integrates ECG and glucose data, providing richer information for more informed decision. And finally, our product is lightweight, waterproof, and ensures portability for our users. Here's an overview of our project timeline. We've already finished the preparation and we are currently in the project design phase. Next, we'll begin feasibility validation. We have some data set that we found online already, and since we cannot gather it ourselves, I think that's the end of our presentation. Thank you for your listening.